Only true grammar champions can win. You have just 5 seconds for each question. Are you ready?
Which word contains a silent letter? Knife. Find the word with a silent B. Thumb. Which word has a silent W? Right. Like the video if you score 3 out of 15. Choose the synonym of happy. Glad. What is the plural of mouse? Mice. Choose the singular form. Man. Identify the collective noun. Team. Which is a proper noun? America. Identify the abstract noun. Honesty. Which is a concrete noun? Coconut. Choose the uncountable noun. Wisdom. Which word is a possessive pronoun? Mine. Identify the demonstrative pronoun. These. Identify the superlative adjective. Highest. Choose the indefinite pronoun. Someone. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below and subscribe for more interesting quizzes.